Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. I am officially 38 weeks and 1 day pregnant, so my baby girl's gonna be here hopefully soon. With that being said, I have been procrastinating to no other to pack because I have no idea what is going to fit me. So I figured I would at least show you guys what I have packed so far, and maybe it'll give you some ideas on what to pack, and if there's anything that I missed that you would recommend I pack, leave me a comment down below. I don't have a very cute bag. I think I'm gonna be very practical, and I have like this very large reusable bag that pretty much anytime I go camping or I go anywhere else, I tend to just put all of my stuff in a large reusable bag. One, it's very easy to find what I need to find very quickly, and it's not bulky, it's super simple. We'll go ahead and we will do baby stuff first because I think I have more baby stuff packed than I do for myself, obviously, because she's the star of the show. I might end up putting everything in my bag just so I have one instead of carrying multiples, but we'll see how packed my bag gets. But I just have this Skip Hop diaper bag. I actually picked it up at a garage sale for $1. I put it in some cleaner, let it sit for a little bit, and gave it a very good wash, and it pretty much looks brand new. So this diaper bag fits a lot more than the other diaper bag that I had purchased, which I will get into that in a little bit here. First things first, I did get these little canvas bags on Amazon, so I'll have them linked down below, and then as much as the items that I have linked, or as much items that I have, I will have linked down below if you want to check it out. Obviously, I tried finding just like the items in general. You can always find them cheaper on apps like Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay, which are the platforms that I've been reselling on to save up for my maternity leave. So I'll have those linked down below as well for you guys if you want to sign up and save some extra money. But while I'm showing you things, I will put some in the baby bag. So first things first is this Philips Advent pacifier set for 0 to 3 months for newborns. This I did receive from my baby shower. My son, when I had him, he's going to be 7 at the end of September. Where did the time go? He preferred the MAM pacifiers, so I'm trying to find those for a newborn just in case my hospital doesn't have any. Next thing I have packed in baby girl's bag is this cute little buddy donkey. I got her as this little guy as a baby shower gift too, and he's adorable. I got a couple of different sleeper options. I did pack cute outfits, but very practical cute outfits. One of the things that I kind of splurged on in this pregnancy with my second child is getting the magnetic sleepers. So they aren't zippers, they aren't buttons, they are little magnets that go all the way up, and they make changing diapers and changing baby super easy. So this is the Easy Magnetic clothes brand that I got at Nordstrom Rack, and I'll have it linked down below. That's like the best place that I found to get a good deal on them. Retail, they are expensive. So I packed this one, which is a newborn size. And then I also couldn't help myself and I got this Magnetic Me one. It's a preemie size, so I don't know if she's even going to be able to wear it, but I couldn't help it with the purple, and it has like this cute little puppy pattern on it with like the little ruffle butt. I know when I took my son home from the hospital, he had lost a whole bunch of weight, so just in case little our girl is on the smaller end, and then if she gets a little bit smaller when we take her home, maybe this potentially will be a going home outfit. And then I also did pack just a regular cotton sleeper, and this is a newborn size as well. So I've got 3 of those. I have a pink Swaddle, Anais Essentials 0 to 3 month Swaddle. I never used these with my son. I just used a regular blanket Swaddle, but I've heard good things about them, so I figured I would try it. That I actually picked up at Goodwill for like $2. I grabbed some little some mittens, and then I also have her blanket packed. So little Miss Raelyn is what we picked on for a name, and I figured we would pack this blanket for all of the pictures and to snuggle her. So that's what I have packed so far for little Miss. Like I said, I want to get the MAM pacifiers once I find those for the newborn, just in case my hospital doesn't have any. Otherwise, I don't think I really need anything else. For the most part, I feel like it's all provided at the hospital as far as like diapers and wipes. Once we get released, I imagine we'll go home right away. I might pack some just to have, just in case. So, on to what I've packed so far for myself. I found this Nike turtleneck. It's like a mock neck sweatshirt, and then it is reversible, so it can open in the front like so to feed baby, or if you want to have it the other way and then just have it as an open back. Very simple. I actually found this at TJ Maxx, and just basic staple. I was at the hospital a couple weeks ago just being monitored. I just had a couple of concerns, and the hospital was freezing. I was cold, so I'm making sure that I pack some warm stuff, even though we're kind of getting into the fall where it's going to be kind of cooling down anyways. And that's another thing that's making it harder to pack. And then I just grabbed a just a maternity tank top, just this Old Navy ribbed one that I had purchased. Just something basic, simple, dark colors, just in case things get dirty. And then I found this Target Aden maternity nursing bra on clearance when I was at Target the one day, so it just snaps down and like so. I don't really plan on packing a whole bunch of nursing stuff. I think with my son, like, my milk didn't come in until I went home anyways, and after giving birth, really the last thing you want to do is to be wearing a bra. Glasses so I can see. I'm not even gonna attempt to even worry about contacts. And then I have my toiletry bag. So I did put in some nursing pads just in case my milk does come in, just to have those available. Otherwise, just moisturizer, deodorant, face wash, dry shampoo, toothpaste. My toothbrush is downstairs. And then I just had like this sample of like shampoo and conditioner that I just figured I'd put in there. And then some nipple cream, just in case if I needed it. That's the only other thing. And then I have another splurge item, which is this Barefoot Dreams blanket. I wanted to have a designated blanket for upstairs for snuggle time, and this was my other splurge. So I have that, and then I'm gonna be switching over my purse. I have like a smaller crossbody bag that I'm just gonna transition over into this Fawn Design diaper bag. This is the original one that I had gotten. This was my splurge, was the diaper bag. So I'm probably gonna move all of my purse stuff in here today, just so I will have everything available. I'll probably put snacks in here. I don't know what kind of snacks. And then I splurged and got myself a matching-ish wallet. So it'll kind of all go together. And I will bring my boppy pillow. And that's about it so far. All right, pulse Sabrina popping in here because I forgot 3 different things. I will be bringing my Stanley cup that I got for Christmas because I drank so much water with this thing. A portable white noise maker. This is the Mom Cozy brand. And then folder to put all the stuff in. So there's a little update for you on 3 more things. So yeah, like I said, if you have any suggestions on what I should bring and I don't have it yet, other than pants, I need to figure out pants. I'm kind of struggling a little bit because I haven't gained any weight this pregnancy. I don't know once this baby comes out if my pants will even fit me. So that's kind of where I'm at. If you have any suggestions on some stretchy pants, let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye.